There's a lot of this in the cave, okay? And that's what I was telling you, it takes so long to form. This column here, thousands of years to form. There is a passageway down here. We're not going to go there because it gets very tight. And I don't want to go down there because I got stuck there once.
Oh, what did
Not
you do?
very long. I mean, they pulled me out.
Who pulled you out? You had a buddy?
Oh, of course.
Oh, somebody?
I felt so stupid I was laughing, and when you're laughing, your body gets big, and I couldn't relax, so I couldn't get out. But actually, this one loops around and comes out of this crack here. Okay? So it's really tight. Now, there is a passage here. Okay?
Really?
But we are going to go up there.
Right? We're gonna die.
Yeah.
Higher.
Yeah, there's two ways to do this. Two ways to get up there. One way. Put this back on.
Let's face it, guys.
One way is the way that you did it.
Hannah.
Hannah, I'm going to ask names again. But I'm not doing go underneath this rock, pop up on the other side, and then we're going to go up against the wall until, not climbing, but just on top of this big pile of rocks here, big rocks, okay? This is called a breakdown room. Because all those rocks fell off the ceiling thousands upon thousands years ago.
We're gonna die.
No,
Oh.
it wouldn't be allowed.
And there is another way to do this. After I get myself back into position here to do this. This was the easiest one that most people prefer to do when my first time in here.
Guys,
Okay? Why am I having problems today? Okay, all right. I got a bag. Where's my stick? All right. The other way to do it is from the outside. We're going to climb on the outside of the rock. And what you're going to do is climb up from here, step up here with your left foot on here. Hold on to this shelf and that stump. Right
Oh, I
foot
see it.
going to put here, and I'm going to put my hands here. And then left,
I could help people in here.
right foot. And then, yeah, and then, you want your left foot here. Right foot, I'm sorry. Right foot, left
guys,
foot,
please
and
listen.
then swing your right foot over to here. And then, while you're holding onto this, but keep your body over top of your feet, so as you're going, you want to keep your body moving so that you're not leaning back, okay? And then you will continue heading up that. When you get to the area up there where you feel like you can sit down, that's where we're going to meet up in the next one. I'm going to stay here and spot everybody going up,
Should I start going?
because that's
Arabella, go.
Should I go
sketchy.
first?
Arabella's going to go because we're both right here.
Yeah, me and Sophia.
Arabella,
Since we're right here.
Okay,
You need to wait for your buddy.
yeah.
My buddy is Juliana.
Well, if you got two people, if you got two people, start moving up.
Okay.
You got two of
Or
you?
you
two
two
of
can be buddies.
Yeah, we're in a buddy group.
Yeah, you're in a buddy group,
Okay,
so
now
you
start-
two can
start
head
heading
up.
up there.
We're going up, please.
Start heading
So
up
wait,
there.
me and Sophia are gonna go.
Keep a little bit of distance between you guys, okay?
I know.
Okay, wait.
Well, they're not wet.
Lily,
I think
it doesn't matter who goes first.
Lily
Everyone's
also in
gonna
my
go.
buddy group.
Everyone's going to be able to get up.
You get up here
It's the three
for
of
the
us.
next one.
Yeah, no, it's the 6 of us. Oh yeah, no, we're gonna split it in half.
There you go. There you go. Go right behind her.
Wait, who's
There you go.
Do you want to be my buddy now?
Lily,
Let Arabella go first. Or she's gonna be waiting for you.
well, Sophia's coming right directly.
Let Arabella and Sophia go, and then go first.
Like a zipper, you know.
Where? Oh my God.
Just let her go.
Oh, where are you going? Where's Audra?
There's a hole in the wall you can put your foot in.
Wait up here.
Okay?
Get up. Go this way.
There you go.
Oh, we can Guys, it's Lily, Sophia, up here. Be careful.
Very good. Okay, you ready? The other foot.
Where's Sarah?
This
Use your other foot, it makes it easier.
Sarah.
That's it, just like that.
Sarah K.
This
Where's
way.
Sarah K?
You're good. That's it.
Is that Sarah
Perfect,
K?
perfect. You guys got this.
Right next to me?
You guys got this.
Wait, go that way.
There
Continue.
you go.
You got it?
That one
You guys are doing it. There we
it's
go.
up here.
I'm gonna come under one second. I think you should.
Hey guys.
That I should what?
You should get a photo to save your phone.
Yeah, you
Do
can
the same photo. Wait, I'm gonna do the same photo that I have of Eva up there.
gotta give me.
Guys, it's really wet. Like, really wet.
Okay.
Yeah, don't
Take a
stand.
photo of us. Or
Continue moving, like, so we can have space.
That's it, perfect.
okay.
Like,
Perfect.
what? Oh, sorry.
Okay. I'm going.
Lily,
we're trying
I'm trying to get photos.
Don't go off that way.
Okay, wait.
Make sure to show that to
Come
you.
down.
We got it. I don't think we have enough room for everybody.
Just like come down.
Quick, go over here to those rocks over here. Guys,
We're keeping this for photos.
I want to take a photo too after Arabella.
Yeah. Well, we should do it together, but I'm gonna remake a photo that I have of Eva.
Okay.
Hannah,
Yeah?
can you get a picture of Arabella for me after?
I can also do it. Oh, yeah, you do that.
Because she has the
Hey
phone.
guys, Sushis.
Yeah.
Pictures.
Hannah,
Hannah, look up. Mommy, look up. Sushis.
Oh, this is
I
like
can't
I'm
see.
with full ink line.
Turn off the light. Sienna.
That's it.
Okay, can I get a
Just try to take
Come
photos.
over to my nice chair.
Me and Sophie are gonna get one, and
Hey, give me
then
that
Sophie's
chair.
gonna
Hannah,
Here.
Hannah.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
I'm gonna remake Eva's.
You guys like my chair? Yeah. No, it's my
Yeah,
hair.
from right here.
Oh my god. Guys, this is so comfortable. Go down there.
Why don't you be stuck with Kyle?
Wait, take.
Okay, Sophie.
Do you need me to take Kyle? Who has Kyle?
I would take another one just in case.
You want to sit in my seat?
Take a double, like always take double, just in case.
I wish Kyle. Want to sit in my seat?
Disappear down.
Guys, where did Kyle? I thought Lily had Kyle.
Okay.
Your dad has it. Can I get a picture after you? Judy, your dad has Kyle.
Sophia, get up here.
Is it good? Here, I can take this
All
picture.
right.
Okay,
Yeah.
Okay. Someone shine your light like towards us.
Where are you?
Yeah, shine your light towards us so you can see. Down and do like
No, like
fingers
that.
and
3 points of contact. Come on.
Very good. Okay.
There you go.
Got this?
Can I get a solo now?
Diana solo.
Yeah, I'll get a solo first, real
Let
quick.
Sophia
Since I'm already
get
up here.
solo.
Audrey, down. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. Look at nice spot.
If you need help, I have a hand. Okay. Hannah.
Hey guys, ready?
Guys, real quick.
3. So, who needed Kyle? 2. Who else? Wait, hold up.
There you go. We're all set.
Kyle's so much. Can I get a Judy, we found the way for your dad. Here.
Let me see.
Penny. It's too bright. Penny's too bright.
Okay. Hey guys, shine your light, please.
Here, pass it. Just pass it. Just pass it. Audra. Just pass. I can't.
Are they good?
get a picture? Wait.
Yeah, someone else said they were first.
Sarah.
Is it fine, Hannah?
I call after Sarah.
Hannah, is it fine?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
I know. I'm just trying to. I'm trying to. Wait.
Hey!
Wait, do you want me to turn your thing on?
Yeah. Okay, watch out over here. Don't.
Hi, Mom.
I just got dropped off.
What if I just jump?
We just chuckled.
I was supposed to go up in the hole and I looked up and there was like rock and I was really scared.
Wait, we can do this. Should add a crossing guard. On it there. You know, it would just me and Sarah together. 2 Sarahs.
Those are Sarah's.
Was he gonna come on?
Who is?
on the 440.
It's all Sarah's.
3.
This is like right up his alley.
Yeah, it is.
I was surprised when he said he didn't want to
I
go.
think that's the last picture, right?
Yeah.
Right here. We have. Where are you going
trying to get, like,
We're gonna have a lot more chances for photos.
You're gonna get dirty no matter what.
I know.
Nancy,
I'm trying to get the. What's
3,
Don't worry.
2.
There is no wall.
Two either.
What room should this be?
Okay.
Oh, this is going to be
Oh, so cute.
It's the gravity.
Okay.
So big and I keep hitting the
Yeah. Wait, I'm gonna.
We already have a bedroom down there.
Watch out, watch out. If you need hands.
Sorry, I was gonna take she's sitting on her chair.
Okay, this
Taking
room,
a picture with Sarah and I would help you.
this breakdown room here,
Yeah, what's that for?
everything that we're stating right here
Help.
came off the
Everyone
ceiling
listen.
thousands of years ago. You see how well it's cemented in with the calcium? Here, where we came up is one way to get in here, okay? And instead of climbing up here, we went down there. There's another passage. If you look down that hole, there's a passage down there. And if you look down that hole, there's a passage there. It comes down through here, and it goes to the other side of this rock. And they split off in different directions, but then they meet up again back there. And then there's another passage behind me, which we are going to take. Okay? Now, when we get here, there's a crack. So we're going to go down here. Now you're going to be off the ground maybe 2-3 feet. And there's a horizontal crack in the wall that's just about foot height. And you're going to stick your toes in there. And then you're going to put your back against the wall on the other side of the crack. And you're going to shimmy across. Now it's not very high up. It's only 2-3 feet. If it freaks you out, let me know and I'll help you with it, okay? But take your time, help the person behind you, okay?
I remember walking like with feet in cracks like that. So I
Yeah, where you gotta go like head first down.
Yeah, that's it. That's okay.
Yeah.
On the chair. Judy, pull out of Judy.
Buddy system.
No, it's Miss Crazy. Miss Crazy. Because we call Miss Crazy.
Like a video channel. Is the thing open?
Yeah, it's open.
Okay, so we can hear it. Nah.
You got this. Sophia, you want Kyle?
Nah.
YOUCave.
Wait, guys, we should give him face paint.
does.
What?
Wait, no, we should Simba him.
So like, there's some that are like way brighter.
Should I?
On him? Or on you? On you?
Yeah, let's be like your barrel.
Oh, it doesn't show.
Pants for sure.
Huh?
What?
Your lights are way like stronger. Yeah, ours are like pretty dim.
I put mine on like the lower.
Oh really?
I don't know, I was trying to preserve it. You know, in case of the
Mine's on the high.
I mean, we have plenty of light in there.
Yeah,
It's not like...
Do you think that's a pass?
Oh yeah, there is different settings. I did not realize.
I'll help you here. You want to step up? I'll help you up.
It probably is a pass to go to the top level.
What's next? Buddy's set. Who's going next? What child is going next?
Oh yeah.
Or adult? Oh, it looks like
I
you're
think last time we only did
group
this
of
one.
5. Yeah.
But last time we only did the adults, so they so we didn't really have the option to do like a group that kept
That's
going.
fine.
They're gonna get wiped off.
We
But
just kind of went until
it's for the
we
vibe.
gave him more like half of him was tired and we turned around because that was the only option we really had.
Buddy go or
We will be
Truddy.
live.
Truddy go there, and then me and Sophia.
Sarah, be careful with
be careful.
standing like that.
3 points of contact.
How are we gonna do this? How are you gonna do it? You put your feet in the hole.
Put the foot in the hole. Yeah, right?
Now I want to go meditate. You said go sit down back there and like.
I set my first person.
Guys, my knee pads are like not knee padding. Yeah.
Are they not on your knees?
They are, but they're like, they're big, I feel like. Bigger than when I was 6'15". Oh look, it's a nice little bed.
Yeah. Take a little nap.
Go to sleep.
Yeah. Take a little nap in a cave.
Straight up shooting.
I think it was the distance from where the rock ledge is in the ground is 3 feet. No, not the lake.
Did you see that?
Oh no.
4 points of contact.
Yes, period. I caught an extra point of contact. I got 4.
Guys, look how cool like all the rocks look, bro.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Have you never been in a cave before?
No?
Not even like crystal caves?
I don't think so, no, to be honest with you.
You haven't been in a tour cave?
Probably, actually. I don't remember.
Running water, I guess.
Look at that. I wonder if you can find gold in here.
Maybe.
Food's gold. Food's gold.
Other side, and then stand up, walk.
Where?
Yes!
Stand up, make a left.
Oh, we're doing the. Well, like, there's another way you guys can go.
I'm gonna just follow you.
Right.
Right. Did you do your
Yeah, there's like another ledge right here.
Take a right.
Literally,
I
everyone's
did that with
going
Juliana
in
once
there.
and it was really good.
Last
time,
we dabbed each other up.
3 of us went in because no one wanted to. Why can't
Yeah, but it was a meeting. We were leaving. Oh, that was not good. Wait. But it was like better. It was like boom.
You want more pink? No, I don't.
Juliana.
Me and my brother just constantly in the game.
Yeah, we had.
Guys, I want to get the most clean award.
There is no most clean award.
I'm gonna make it an award. Stop! No! Stop! You're gonna be another concussion. Stop it! Stop! That's messing with the nature.
Somebody already did. That's obviously not placing naturally.
And
Hey, you're getting my wrist.
there eventually there'll be a path that they'll come in from the right hand side.
Yeah.
And that's the way that they're going down. Alright?
I remember Sierra was so like afraid last time.
You don't have to do that.
We were here for Sierra.
What?
What? Sierra.
Oh yeah, she wouldn't know.
20 feet.
She's a junior, but she.
Army crawl big.
Do
Yeah,
it.
your army crawl.
I will if you
Do it.
may.
Wait, army crawl right now.
Do it. Yeah.
They didn't get to see Sierra. That's so
Sierra was the most
She's trying to decide.
She was hilarious.
I was gonna say, if you're gonna go the other way, can you take?
Take the ball.
Yeah. Is there anyone not going in
Kyle,
this?
or whatever.
Is anyone going on the other way, like not the army crawl way?
I think we're going the other way.
Alright. Someone go buddy. Who's helping her buddy?
I didn't hear that
You don't
either.
like it?
It's two.
Okay, that's fine.
Because my, I'm skinny enough in my shoulders. Yeah, sure. I did this last
You'll
time.
fit.
I will fit, but I don't do it again.
You're going down. Yeah.
I can't. I'll do it again.
It's basically.
Hannah, wait up.
I'm prepared for anything, guys.
How long is that army crawl?
About 20 feet.
Oh.